Older men, does a younger woman like you? Look for this body language. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever caught a younger woman casting glances your way and wondered what those fleeting moments meant? Today, we're diving deep into the world of nonverbal cues. We'll unravel the body language signs that reveal when a younger woman is genuinely interested in you, from subtle gestures to pronounced postures. I'll be guiding you through the signals that you might have previously missed. And by the end of this video, you will be a body language detective, ready to spot genuine interest without a word being spoken? Curious to find out more? Let's embark on this eye-opening journey together. Mirroring. Have you ever noticed someone subconsciously mimicking your gestures or posture? It's a powerful non-verbal cue called mirroring, and it's a hallmark of rapport and connection. When a younger woman starts to mirror your movements, it's a sign that she's in sync with your vibes and is trying to establish or strengthen a bond. For an older man, recognizing this sign can be an affirmation that despite the age difference, there's a natural and growing affinity between the two. Grooming behaviors. Small grooming gestures like touching her hair or adjusting her outfit when she's around you can often be overlooked, but they are potent indicators of attraction. This subconscious behavior stems from a desire to present oneself in the best light. If a younger woman frequently exhibits such behaviors around you, well, it's her subtle way of saying she wants to look her best for you. For older men, this can be a heartening sign, showcasing that she values the impression she makes on him. Leaning in. Now, the distance between two individuals can often be a yardstick of their emotional proximity. When she leans in closer while conversing, it's a clear sign that she's genuinely engaged and interested in what you have to share. For an older man, this act of leaning in from a younger woman can be particularly reassuring. It underscores that she values the depth, wisdom, or anecdotes he brings to the table, bridging any generational gap that might exist. Dilated pupils. One of the physiological reactions when someone is attracted to another person is the dilation of pupils. It's nature's own way of allowing us to take in more of what we find appealing. So if you catch her pupils dilated when she's looking at you, even if everything else is subtle, it's a potent indicator of attraction. For an older man, observing this in a younger woman can be a silent yet compelling confirmation of the magnetic pull she feels towards him. Prolonged eye contact. Eyes, often dubbed the windows to the soul, can convey a lot without uttering a single word. When a younger woman holds your gaze slightly longer than what is considered, let's say, normal, it's a telltale sign. She's not just looking at you, she's trying to connect with you. And this prolonged eye contact indicates an emotional connection, a genuine interest, and a curiosity to delve deeper into your world. In the context of age gap dynamics, this deep gaze often signifies her intrigue and attraction towards the depth and maturity she perceives in older men. Subtle touching. Physical touch, even in its subtlest form, can express volumes. A light touch on your arm as maybe she emphasizes a point, or a gentle brush on your shoulder as she passes by, are gestures that are laden with intent. While respecting boundaries, these touches hint at her comfort level around you and her desire for a closer connection. For older men, such cues can be reassuring, signaling that despite that age difference, there's a tangible chemistry and comfort between the two. Frequent smiling. A genuine heartwarming smile can light up any interaction. When a younger woman frequently smiles at you, especially during shared anecdotes, jokes, or moments, it's a radiant sign of her delight in your company. In the world of age gap relationships where older men might sometimes feel the weight of generational differences, such authentic smiles from her can bridge the gap, reassuring him that the connection is genuine and mutual. Open posture. Body language can be a silent yet potent communicator. If she's facing you with her whole body, it's a sign she's fully engaged in the interaction. An open posture without crossed arms or legs suggests she's receptive and is open to the conversation and your connection. Now, this can be particularly significant for older men who might be wary of how younger women perceive them. Such a stance is her way of signaling, I'm here and I'm interested and I am open to where this journey with you might lead. Physical closeness. Now, in the realm of nonverbal cues, proximity plays a pivotal role. When a younger woman repeatedly seeks opportunities to be closer to you, whether it's opting to sit beside you, at a gathering, or standing next to you amidst a group, it's a strong indication of her attraction. For an older man, it can be an affirmation that, despite the age gap, she feels that magnetic pull towards him and cherishes the warmth or security that his presence offers. Playful teasing, gentle ribbing or light-hearted teasing, especially when accompanied by laughter or a playful touch, can be a younger woman's way of creating that unique bond. It's an avenue to connect, build rapport, and to keep interactions lively and memorable. For older men, such playful interactions can be refreshing. They subtly communicate that the younger woman enjoys the age dynamic, finds joy in the interaction, and of course, wants to make moments special with him and light-hearted. Feet pointing towards you. Sometimes the most telling signals come from the most unexpected sources, like the feet. It's often remarked that our feet tend to point towards what or who we are genuinely interested in. So the next time you are in conversation, glance subtly at her feet. If they're frequently directed towards you, this is a sign of her genuine interest and focus. For an older man, this can be a grounding realization, signifying that he's the center of her attention, despite the distractions around. Lip biting or licking. While often dramatized in films, the act of a woman biting or licking her lips can indeed be an unconscious display of attraction, or of course nervous anticipation. It could signify that she's thinking about how she's being perceived or is genuinely excited about the moment. For an older man noticing this can be both endearing and affirming. It signifies that their interaction has a playful sort of moment, there's a depth, there's electricity, making her both excited and slightly anxious. Hallmarks of budding attraction. Checking your reaction. Communication isn't just about the way we speak, but also about the reactions that they elicit. So if you notice a younger woman regularly glancing your way to gauge your reactions, be it during a lively group discussion, a movie scene, or even when someone else shares a story, it signifies her interest in your thoughts and, of course, your feelings. For an older man, such attentiveness reflects the weight and value that the younger woman places on his perspectives, bridging the age gap with a deep-seated respect and curiosity. Raises eyebrows. Sometimes the smallest gestures speak the loudest. Now, a brief eyebrow raise, especially upon making eye contact or entering a room, is a subtle yet potent indicator of attraction. It's as if she's silently saying, "Oh, there you are," or expressing her joy at actually seeing you. For an older man, this spontaneous reaction from a younger woman can be heartening, affirming that he brings a spark or excitement to her day. Frequent laughter. Laughter is that universal sign of enjoyment. Now, if she finds reasons to laugh around you, chuckling heartily or at your anecdotes, giggling at your jokes, playful comments, or even laughing at the not-so-funny jokes, this is a delightful sign of her enjoying your company. For an older man, hearing a younger woman laugh can actually be a good sign, underscoring the shared joy and lightness in their interactions, despite the age difference. Exposed wrists. Now, the wrist, being a delicate and vulnerable part of the body, holds symbolic weight in body language. So when a younger woman exposes or accentuates her wrists, perhaps while gesturing, adjusting her watch, or tucking her hair behind her ear, it's often an unconscious display of trust, openness, and comfort. For an older man, this gesture from a younger woman speaks volumes, suggesting that she feels safe, at ease, and is potentially open to deepening their connection. Touches her neck or collarbone. Now, the neck and collarbones are sensitive areas, and touching them can be an involuntary reaction, signaling vulnerability, comfort, or interest. When a younger woman delicately grazes or touches this region, especially during a conversation with an older man, it could suggest she's feeling a particular connection or perhaps even a bit nervous in his presence. For an older gentleman, observing this can indicate that his presence has a tangible effect on her, evoking a response that bridges that generational divide. Fiddles with jewelry. Playing with a necklace or adjusting an earring isn't always just about ensuring that jewelry is in place. Often it's an unconscious reaction to nervous excitement or heightened attention. So if you find her frequently touching or playing with her jewelry, especially when she's engaged in deep conversation with you, it's likely she's invested in that interaction. So for an older man, such subtle cues from a younger woman emphasize that despite the age gap, there exists an unmistakable pull and intrigue. holds her gaze on you. Eyes can communicate volumes, and if you catch her looking your way, even when you are engrossed in other activities or conversations, it's a significant sign of her interest. Her lingering gaze suggests that she's attuned to your presence, movements, and actions, hinting at an underlying attraction. Relaxed and genuine expression. Nothing speaks louder than authenticity. And when a woman doesn't feel the need to put on a facade and lets her genuine emotions and reactions shine through, it's a testament to her comfort and genuine interest. If a younger woman maintains a relaxed demeanor, laughing genuinely, frowning thoughtfully, or expressing surprise spontaneously around a man, it means she's comfortable being her true self around him. Such unguarded moments reflect a sense of trust and can be a cornerstone for deeper connections, transcending age differences. Now that you have mastered the body language signs, let's delve deeper. Spot the subtleties, what younger women do to get your attention, or read between the lines, how to tell if a younger woman is flirting with you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share your thoughts in the comments and hit that subscribe button.